Bible lesson. Okay, so you know how sometimes you worry about you have food and you don't know what to wear, or your car is out of batteries, or how much money you have? Well, if you worry about all your food and your clothes and your car and your money, how much you have, let me get some real quick. If you take this away. Okay, so let me do some real quick. Real quick. If you take, and it's like your clothes are all gone. Wait, like if you don't focus on what's actually happening. Okay, sorry you can't see the picture, but I'm actually trying to do it. You won't actually know like where you're going or on the wrong track. And then you might not notice this. Do you know who this is?
Jesus?
Yes. Did you notice this was in the picture?
Huh?
So if you focus on all your money and the car and your food and your dress, then you won't really know what you really need to focus on.
Love it. Thank you for sharing with me.
Yeah, I will. Oh, thank you. Wait, don't pause yet. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So humble as you share the Lord's word.
Call me on www.com/Jesus.
Who are you?
Cut.